Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you TheraBox. Now, if you're wondering about my hair, this is not the finished product. We are gonna go a little lavendery later on this week, but anything that you have seen this week or will see this week, it's all pre-recorded, so you actually won't see the finished outcome of my hair until you actually, if you watch my vacation vlogs. So TheraBox, it's one of my favorite box. It's a lifestyle, meditation, take care of yourself sort of box. I have no idea how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. But I open it up and this is what I see. And it does, hair in my mouth, it does come with a pamphlet, and I'm pretty sure, yep, it does tell you how much everything costs. So let's get into it. So the first thing we have is a robe and a hood. And that retails for $39. It says slip into comfort and wake up feeling fresh and rejuvenated. This robe is made by Robe and Hood exclusively for TheraBox. The Namaste Faux silk robe is made high quality, cruelty free. Okay, that's cool. Let's open it up. I wonder if it actually says Namaste in bed. If so, then that matches the sleep mask that I got last month. Oh, that feels nice, and it does. It says Namaste in bed right there. So that feels super nice. I like that. I don't know if it'll replace my blue fuzzy robe, but who knows? You never know. The next thing I am pulling out is Gamache Exfoliating Gel. And that retails for $36. And it's just an exfoliating gel, brightens the complexion and all that jazz. So there's that. The next thing I am pulling out is, ooh, so this is a warming up, moisturizing body oil. So, you know, maybe for those fun times or just a massage. This retails for $32. I love, love, love things like this. That's awesome. The next thing I am pulling out is this by Luxo. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so it's that, and it is a candle with something. Oh, that's just wax. But that is really nice. That is a super nice container. I think I'll pass that along to my daughter. This retails for $15. Not bad. That's such a pretty container. I am down for that. The next thing I am pulling out is a day nutrient boost. What's that say? Booster serum. Let's see. And that is by Yarrow and Fig, and it retails for $34. I am going to keep it in its package just because I don't have time to actually open up all these things and go through them. You know, we're trying to get ready, and I do kind of need to organize everything because we're getting ready to leave on vacation. The next thing I am pulling out is a 2020 calendar. That's cool. I'll pass that along to my daughter too. That retails for $5. And then let's see, we also have, it's like an energy drink for your eyes. Ooh, eye masks. You know I'm keeping that. That retails for $21.95. How many is in here? Ooh, it's 12 pairs. That's awesome. And then the last thing I am pulling out here is a Habit Nest, the Morning Sidekick Journal. And I will actually pass that along to my daughter too. She is into journaling. Let's see, this retails for 30 bucks. So that is cool. That was a good box. I always think this box is worth it. Even if I don't get things that I necessarily will keep, I always think that this box is worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.